Hello students, welcome to DG classes of Christchurch Convent School. I am Purnima Shukla. In last session, that is in last video, you see that the sex determination, about the sex determination. Now, what is there? Some chromosomes that are linked with each other and transfer from generation to generation, that are sex linked, and there is the linkage present. So there are some inheritance which are called as sex linked inheritance. Now this is the example, and it was first given by Morgan in 1910 in Drosophila. There red-eyed female and white-eyed male. When red-eyed female is crossed with the white-eyed male, then what happen? There the gametes fuses with each other and XR. If XR of the female is fused with the XR of the male, then the child will be red-eyed female, that is homogametic. If XR, that is a small letter, and this represents the recessive character, that is the white color. So there the XR is fuses with the XR of the male. What happened there? There the XR and XR, it is red-eyed female. So in this only at the XRY is represent the white-eyed male, because in this there the Y is the gene where Y is the chromosome where there is no any type of character represent. There is not a capital R or not a small r. Capital R represents the red color and small r represents the white color. Only the XR has the white color. So we know that when the recessive character are homogametic or paired with each other, then only they represent itself, and but if they are in single, then they cannot represent. But here XR is represented because on Y there is no any type of character, so it is represented, that is white-eyed male. This is the sex linked inheritance because this gene is transferred from generation to generation, and only females are the carrier of the sex linked disease, not the males. Let's see the another example, that is the color blindness. In the human beings, if normal female, that is homogametic, male is the heterogametic XY. So normal female when crossed with the color blind male, then there what happen? 50% carrier female and 50% normal male will be produced. Let's see here XXC. When there is only one gene which has the carrier color blind, then it is the carrier, and here this is there is no any type of character represented, so it is normal male, carrier female, normal male. So there are some questions arise, and in the question papers also it was asked that what happened when the normal female is married with the colorblind male. Then you have to show this crossing and you have to explain it. Okay. Another case will be arise that what happened when there is the carrier female and the normal male. Then the crossing will be different. Okay. You can see it here. If there is the female will be carrier and male will be normal. Normal male. Okay, what happened? Then you can see XC is crossed with this X, then there will be carrier female. X when crossed with the XC when crossed with the Y, color blind male. And when X is crossed with the X, then normal female. X when crossed with the Y, normal male. क्या हो रहा है फिर यहाँ पर? You can see that carrier female when marriages with the normal male, then the case arises that gives the child carrier female, color blind male, normal female, normal male. Okay, this happened. In this way you can practice different cases like color blind male and normal female, color blind female and normal male, या कैरियर फीमेल एंड नॉर्मल मेल, इस टाइप से डिफरेंट केसेस में आप स्टडी कर सकते हैं इसे. दीज आर व्हाट? दीज आर द सेक्स लिंक्ड इनहेरिटेंस. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरियस टाइम्स दीज हैव टू आस्क, ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं आपसे. So in this case only carrier will be the female and color blind male. Okay, means जब भी अगर कैरियर आता है तो कैरियर हमेशा फीमेल ही होती है क्योंकि उनके पास XX है, होमोगैमेटिक फीमेल है, और हेट्रोगैमेटिक क्या होते हैं? मेल. सेक्स लिंक्ड इनहेरिटेंस में आपने जो डायग्राम्स जो एग्जांपल्स देखे हैं, that are what about the Drosophila and about the color blindness. Okay, now another is hemophilia. Hemophilia means what? Hemophilia means when the bleeding is not stopped. If there is the injury on your body and cut, तो जो person है that have hemophilia, then their blood will be bleeding more. Okay, so this is the disease is the same as found in color blindness. You can cross it. So now some genetic disorders, genetic diseases. There are genetic diseases which are due to two causes. First of all, due to change in number of autosomal chromosome. Okay, autosomal chromosome you know that are somatic chromosomes. Okay, and that are found in somatic cells. What are the syndromes? What are the disorders there? First is Down syndrome. Langdon Down ने इसे बताया था 1866 में. What is there? The change in the number of chromosome, that is diploid set के अलावा accepted there is one more chromosome present. Therefore, the total number of chromosomes are there that are 47 chromosome instead of 46, that are 47 chromosome. Trisomic condition of chromosome number 21. 21 जो chromosome है, you know that there are 23 pairs of chromosome in human being. 23 pairs, 22 are autosomal chromosomes, and the last 23rd chromosome is the sex chromosome. So 21st chromosome, that is autosomal chromosome, in that trisomic condition is present. Therefore, that the number of chromosomes will be changed, that is 47, and this is called as Down syndrome. The characters are what? Characters, that is the head become flattened, mouth remain open, tongue protruded, These are the characters, and therefore it is also called as Mongolism. This disease is also called as Mongolism, Mongolian idiocy. Next one is Edwards syndrome. Edwards syndrome, there ट्राइसोमी ऑफ क्रोमोसोम नंबर 18, ऑटोसोमल क्रोमोसोम्स में से नंबर 18 का जो क्रोमोसोम है दैट हैव ट्राइसोमी कंडीशन, एंड देयरफॉर 2n+1 कंडीशन इज देयर, दैट इज 47 chromosomes are present. What are the characters of these disease? That is, the ear is scarcely developed, head is laterally flattened, hands are short, and digital imprints. So generally the children are mentally retarded in this condition. This is due to what? Due to autosomal chromosomes, that the change in number of autosomal chromosomes. Now the change in number of sex chromosome, जो 23rd chromosome है pair है, that is sex chromosome. In that, when there is the condition 44A plus X, you know that there is 22+1, ठीक है. डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन में 44A ऑटोसोमल, A मीन्स ऑटोसोमल, 44 ऑटोसोमल क्रोमोसोम्स प्लस 1X, there is 1 chromosome is decreased. Total number of chromosomes in human beings is 46, but there is only 45 chromosomes are present, 1 is deleted. So that is what X only there. So this is called as Turner syndrome, and in this the characters are that the female appearance is short stature and webbed neck, generally infertile, ovaries are not developed. Okay, these are the characters. Then Klinefelter syndrome, 44A means 44 autosomal chromosomes plus, here is the extra chromosome present, 46 की जगह कितने हैं 47, X X Y, 44A plus XX होगा या 44A plus XY होगा, but here is what? double XY. So this is Klinefelter syndrome. Affected individuals have small testes, frequent gynecomastia, tendency of tallness, obesity, and underdeveloped secondary sexual characters. Now last is XYY syndrome, and here 44A plus XYY means that is the super male, called as super male. 47 chromosomes हैं यहाँ पर, जो मेल होते हैं they are very tall and they have a criminal type of nature. So therefore this disease is also called as criminal syndrome. And the last is Cry-Duchet syndrome, that is due to the change in the size of the chromosome number 5. The arm is shorted, so that is Cry-Duchet syndrome. So this is all about the genetic disorder, and your chapter is completed now.